The LG U20 is here, and today I'm in the video about the AT&T Fusion Z for AT&T PREPAID. So this is an Android smartphone. It's available now for $39.99. 16 GB of storage, and it's available in Matrix Blue there. So yeah, this is a budget phone. This is an Android phone. So yeah. So this is what the phone looks like. Something special or anything like that. So there's the phone. It looks like it has a big screen on it. It has a power button and volume button on the right side of the phone there. It has an Android Go icons there. So yeah. You do have a front facing camera up here and earpiece and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and see what it has to say about this Fusion Z here. It says to keep your essentials close with the AT&T Fusion Z. With a bright, sharp 6-inch HD plus display, stay connected via social media, browse the web, and watch your favorite movies and shows with AT&T TV. Make taking pictures a hobby with the 5-megapixel front and rear cameras, while storing up to 600 GB of internal storage or more using that microSD card, which you will need to use that. The Fusion Z offers a long-lasting non-removable. The Fusion Z offers a long-lasting non-removable battery that provides quality power and performance. Enjoy a quad-core processor, 4G LTE speeds, and Wi-Fi calling with the streamlined experience of Android 10 Go Edition. Stay connected with the confidence, knowing that the AT&T Fusion Z is backed by a 2-year warranty. So that is nice. So yeah, you do get Android 10 on here, Android 10 Go. In the back of the Fusion Z, you got a camera flash, AT&T logo in the speaker, and that's pretty much it. It looks like it's like a design back there. You guys can see that. It's kind of hard to see here. So yeah, there's a phone there. I don't know. I think it's on the microSD card slot is on the left side of the phone there, so pretty nice. The battery is not removable, guys. So there it is, front and back. There's the back, front and back. The bottom of the phone has your microphone, also Type-C charging, which is nice. And that's pretty much it for the pictures of this phone here. Features and specs. 6-inch HD plus display with Dragon Tail glass, 3300 mAh battery, 16 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 64 GB of microSD, 5-megapixel front and rear cameras, and if you do have a camera flash in the rear. Dimensions are 5.26 inches height, 2.99 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. The Fusion Z weighs 6.33 ounces. Like I said before, 6-inch display, HD plus, 720 by 1440 pixels. That is a 720p display, guys. So yeah, 5-megapixel front and rear cameras. The rear camera has the front and rear cameras have an f2.4 aperture lens, and the rear camera has autofocus. You get 4K video. Battery 3300 mAh, non-removable, 16 hours of talk time, 14.2 days of standby time. Audio playback is 31.5 hours on speaker, or 56 hours on headset there. It takes about 70 minutes to charge to 50%, and it takes about 160 minutes to charge to 100%. Snapdragon 215, quad-core 1.3. 600 GB of internal storage. microSD cards are up to 64 gigs, 2 GB of RAM, so you will need a microSD card. Android 10 Go Edition. There's your bands and stuff like that, and the 5G. It does have LTE bands 2, 4, 5, 12, 14, and 30. Roll band, ultra Wi-Fi, to the quad band, is a voice. Wi-Fi calling, your Wi-Fi connection, 8211 BGN, that's on special standard Wi-Fi there. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices, wireless emergency alert, capable, and then a SIM card, and you get pretty much apps from AT&T. What you get from AT&T is some base. Calculator, calendar, Chrome, clock, drive, G-Web files, Galileo, Gmail, Google Assistant, Go. You get basically all the Google apps. From, you also get the Go version of the Google apps. So you guys get device unlock, calendar. You guys get device unlock, calculator, calendar, Chrome, clock, drive, Duo, files, Galileo, Gmail, Google Assistant, Go, Google Go. You're gonna play movies and TV. You're gonna Play Store, Maps, YouTube Music, Facebook, HBO Max, Games, AT&T Smart Wi-Fi, AT&T Visual Voicemail, AT&T Protect, Device Up, Pluto TV, and NBA app. And my AT&T provides fast and easy account access virtually anywhere, anytime. It does have games, Google Chrome using the phone browser. There's your sensors, and nothing special. You get a number, ambient proximity sensors, no fingerprint on this one. You do get RCS messaging on here, which is pretty cool. Music is YouTube Music. Hearing aids there, sustainability there, product codes and whatnot. What comes in the box is your quick start game, standard charging work, and a Type-C charging cable, which is very nice to have on a phone like this. So for 40 bucks, you get a budget phone. Of course, this is an Android Go smartphone, so you get all the you'll get all the Google Go apps from here. So you guys will get like a light version of Android. I do like the fact that it does have Android 10. I like the fact that it has a Type-C charging cable, which is nice. Not bad for 40 bucks on that, but other than that, I mean, this would be a great backup phone or whatever, you know. So I would not use this as an everyday phone. I would not use it for every day. I wouldn't. So yeah, there you guys have the AT&T Fusion Z with Android 10 Go edition on board. So if you guys want to try out Android Go, this phone could be one to check out for 40 bucks. So yeah, you will get what you do, get what you pay for here. So yeah, that's pretty much it there. So there you guys have it, the AT&T Fusion Z. I don't know who makes this one. I don't know who makes it, but it just says AT&T Fusion Z. So it might be I don't know who makes this one. I don't know who. But there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it has been a lot, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.